Ever wondered how to snag YouTube Premium straight from your favorite Discord server? Let's dive in. Here's how to redeem your YouTube Premium code directly through Discord. First, you'll need that special YouTube Premium code. You might have received this from a giveaway, a special promotion within a Discord server, or from a friend. Locate the message containing your YouTube Premium code. It will usually be a string of letters and numbers, often accompanied by instructions or a link. It's crucial to ensure the code is from a trusted source within the Discord server. If a server is offering codes, check for community verification or administrator confirmations to avoid scams. Once you've found your code, carefully copy it. Double-check that you've captured all the characters accurately to prevent any redemption errors. Now, open your web browser and navigate to the official YouTube Premium redemption page. You can usually find this by searching for Redeem YouTube Premium or by clicking on a provided link if your Discord server included one. On the redemption page, you'll see an input field. Paste your copied YouTube Premium code into this box. After pasting, click the Redeem button. You might be prompted to log into your Google or YouTube account if you're not already signed in. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that YouTube Premium has been successfully added to your account. Congratulations! You're now ready to enjoy ad-free viewing and background playback. Sometimes, you might encounter issues if the code doesn't work. Ensure it hasn't expired or already been used. Double-check for typos when copying and pasting. If problems persist, reach out to the Discord server administrator who provided the code or contact YouTube support for assistance. And that's how you redeem a YouTube Premium code in Discord, enhancing your online entertainment. Happy watching!